friend.
That
We all are interested now.
Yeah, it's my friend. Mummy dekh rahi.
And the thing is, another red flag which I consider is my love language is roasting.
Yes.
ठीक है? They will roast you in front of their friends, family or whatsoever, and then they be like, "Oh, I love you." I'm like,
How many people are in relationship right now? Oh God, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of PowerPod Season 2. Today we have got a very special episode, a very special topic and Gen Z people around me here. So thank you so much Aryan, Prachi, Vaishali and Tejaswini for joining me here today. How do you feel? कैसे चल रहा है सब?
What?
life चल रही है. Yes.
How's life? How's everything? Relationships, parents, friends?
Well, that's questionable.
Crying in corner.
Yeah.
Off camera बात करते better नहीं रहता?
नहीं, अभी तुम्हें ऑन कैमरा बताना है क्या चल रहा है. तो सबसे पहले let's talk about relationship terms. I was literally so shocked when I was researching for the topic, and then I came up with 7 to 8 relationship terms, and you were like, we need to discuss this. This is something so crazy. So I am going to give you some terms, and then maybe you can guess what the actual meaning is. Okay, first one, cushioning.
Does not sound good.
Possibly having lot of options like question.
Why?
Wow.
Wow. Like
Wow.
Why?
Gen Z.
Great, exactly. Yes, that is it. Cushioning is. It means one person is like looking for multiple partners at the same time. We don't know if the multiple partners know around each other, but
well, if they know, then I don't think so. They will be willing to share.
No, anything is possible.
do that.
any other term you guys came across with?
Situationship. That's the like new thing right, currently.
Seriously, situationship is like, according to me, it's something around कि शायद है relationship, but नहीं.
हाँ मतलब पता ही नहीं है.
Half girlfriend.
और वो डेटिंग साइट्स पे भी एक्टिव रहते हैं, ठीक है,
हाँ.
स्टिल वो ऑप्शन देख रहे होते हैं
वो
कि
भाई-
हाँ ये तो है, ये चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. अब दोनों क्वेश्चन मार्क में बैठे हैं.
अब मुझे यही नहीं समझ आता भाई, क्वेश्चन मार्क पूछ लो ना बस में.
अरे वो नहीं होता है.
No, they
उसमें
don't
भी
want to
answer
commit.
है. They want that tag to be secure, but they also don't want that tag.
Being in a relationship is something so fancy now, and single people, we don't usually give respect to them. Single and something like that. So now people are coming up just to.
Should I get offended?
ऐसा लगता है फिर तो होना
I
ही
know,
पड़ेगा.
Okay, how many people are in relationship right now?
ऐसे मजाक मत उड़ाओ.
Please.
Well, hashtag single.
Oh God, guys.
You single people give the best advice.
Yeah.
I oppose.
और उसके अराउंड जो लोग होते हैं ना, उनको देख के वो जज करके अपनी पूरी लाइफ काट सकते हैं.
Exactly.
Yeah, we have so much knowledge without even being in a relationship कि हम
That's the
Advising
best
their
way.
best friends
But-
and seeing them go back to that person again and
Oh,
again.
yeah.
It's so
अब तो
bad.
हाइप ही मर गई होगी.
I know.
Then another one I can think of is benching.
It would be more of like, what do you say?
लटका के छोड़ दी.
Yeah, exact term that only.
Benching is
लटका
like,
के
अभी
छोड़
अभी
दिया.
शायद तुम्हारी बारी नहीं आई है.
हाँ,
Wait,
अभी
wait
तुम
करो.
वेट करो. अगर इसने मुझे छोड़ दिया तो तुम तो आ ही जाओगी, like you know.
It's like the Tatkal ticket of railway. I think.
हाँ.
It can get approved or it can't.
ये तत्काल
Yeah.
बेटर RAC शेयर करते हैं ना.
Another one was, I think, revolving city related.
Orbiting.
Orbiting. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I know this one. इसमें कि you that person keeps coming and going in your life. जैसे बोल रहे हैं कि मैं हूँ but फिर मैं नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, but हाँ ये भी हो सकता है, बट ये भी तो हो सकता है ना,
around me.
अरे एक ही दिन के अंदर वो तुमको मिला या नहीं मिला, उसने तुम्हें ऐसे ही लटका दिया, ठीक है, इनका अपना अलग सीन चल रहा है गाइस, इग्नोर इट, ठीक है, उन्होंने तुम्हें इग्नोर पे मार दिया सबके सामने, बट देन टेक्सटिंग पे या अलग से दे विल बी लाइक ओह यू आर माय एवरीथिंग, हेलो
You
अगेन,
were looking pretty sweet.
Oh my god, thank god I did not experience this ever. There is this one term pocketing also. That's very like popular right now.
जेब में रखना.
Yes,
Exactly.
And
Guess the meaning. क्या हो सकता है?
I have no idea to keep your partner in your pocket.
Yes, kind of.
Absolutely.
Like it's a metaphor. It's
Speaking
like-
metaphor, you can literally keep a person in your pocket.
It means I think to keep your relationship hidden,
Yeah.
just in a very like secretive manner. कि किसी को पता न चले, hush hush hush.
बट पता तो फिर भी चल जाता है, बताए बिना उनसे रहा नहीं
तो
जाता
ये
है.
वो
public
तो
है,
that's
सब
true.
जानते हैं.
That's true.
I mean, is pocketing different from keeping it private?
I think they are the same.
Yeah.
Pocketing is something, you know, when you are keeping your partner in your pocket where nobody sees. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, पता नहीं है कौन सी गर्लफ्रेंड है, कहाँ पे है.
नहीं, बट फिर ये नेगेटिव टर्म में भी तो हो
Yes,
सकता है ना,
that's what
लाइक
I mean.
सीक्रेट इट इज काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव, ठीक है, बट
secret-
ये वाली चीज तो लाइक नेगेटिव में भी टर्न आउट हो सकती है ना, उसको किसी को बताना नहीं है सो दैट ही कैन हैव अनदर
बताना नहीं और बताना नहीं चाहते हो में फर्क है.
Obviously, you know.
बस उसको ऐसे
The
डार्क में रखना है.
person मतलब जो pocketing रहता है उसको ऐसा रहता है कि चांस रहे नेक्स्ट पर्सन के लिए. That's
हाँ.
why नहीं
तो
होता.
ये depends on
relate
people.
होगा. मतलब ये टर्म्स कैसी सी है,
कौन आता है
बहुत ज़्यादा
ऐसे
हाँ.
terms?
interrelated है.
कौन
ये लेके
बनाता
आई
है
है.
इसको.
लेके तो ये आई है.
हाँ. Literally. It's like college जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे भी एक होगी, पता नहीं.
Exactly.
स्विमिंग क्लास जा रहे हो वहाँ पे भी एक होगी, बैडमिंटन खेलने जा बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हो किसी के
कॉफी
साथ.
के लिए अलग, मूवी के लिए
Flirting
अलग.
सबसे चल रही है.
अरे it was like 3 days ago I saw a reel उसमें there was a girl and she was hugging 3-4 boys and then she was like कि one is for my coffee date, one is for my
Oh,
protection,
wow.
one is for
And everybody is
meeting my
aware.
parents.
So
Wow.
now
क्या
मतलब ये
feel है
प्रॉपर
तुम्हारे
कॉलेज.
no, this is
What
like a
kind of
trend
sarcasm
in
does she have?
Instagram right
I
now.
know.
Rage baits day.
Oh yeah, that's
People
very
do
questionable.
rage baits.
So sorry.
Sorry,
It's
guys.
questionable. What
What?
kind of algorithm do you
Yeah,
have?
we-
That's what she asked.
Oh, mindset कितना सेम.
You were asking about the feed, right?
Yeah.
They're
what
also
was
asking
it?
about the feed.
Guys, let me tell you, मैंने research करी.
हाँ
Please
मतलब
don't blame
इसने
me.
सिर्फ एक सर्च किया व्हाट आर द टर्म्स, डेटिंग टर्म्स, एंड फिर इसके पूरे इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब सब ने शो कर
ओ
दिया.
यार क्या कहते हैं,
सिस्टर
चद्दर डाल के घूमना.
No, but I genuinely want to know what is cuffing का Gen Z term, or is there only one meaning?
Cuffing is a Gen Z term. Cuffing means, you know, it's like when a person is bored or something like he's texting you, gents hang out. It's more of
Netflix and chill.
Let's
Netflix.
Just for
Netflix
बता
and
दिया,
chill.
Pass
समझ
कर
में
दिया
आया. I got
है.
it.
It's just more of physical relationships.
Just
You know,
for
no strings
winter.
attached.
Yes.
Friends.
Yeah. नहीं, the updated term और ये old term, Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill.
और अभी तो कोरियन टर्म्स भी आ रही है इसके गाँव में.
Butterfly.
Guys,
So there was
for
a
that
drama nevertheless. तो उसमें वो बंदा ऐसे ही बोलता है कि
butterfly.
I want to see butterflies of your.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I think
For
what
that
is
you
the
have to
other
see
one?
the drama.
Do you want to have ramen?
Oh yeah, this one. But वो तो बहुत ही जगह ड्रामा में यूज होता है. Like उनके लिए the ramen term is more of that.
Netflix and chill.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Do you wanna have ramen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you wanna eat?
Hey, recently ये भी तो था ना. Do you want to see my cat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nine sounds very inappropriate.
It is inappropriate.
It is meant to
Forward
be.
to red flags now.
Okay.
So
Guys who tell me.
you guys can share what are the most visible red flags which you can.
Well, only one person can here answer that.
Yeah.
Let's start with
All
that
I-
person.
Yeah, let's start with that
Isha,
question.
Spotlight is on you.
Yeah.
The most visible red flag.
Let's take an example. If I'm having a very busy day at work, I can still text that person कि hey आज मैं बहुत busy हूँ Well, get back to you. Oh my god, so corporate. But okay.
Yeah.
But I mean, yes, if you love something, your subconscious will tell you to keep, keep them updated or just talk to them. अगर कोई नहीं दे रहा है टाइम, बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं दे रहा है, 5 मिनट कोई इंसान नहीं दे सकता है तुमको पूरे दिन का. Exactly.
वो जाकिर खान में लाइन है ना, मर्द औरतों को जितने काम बता रहे हैं उसका वो 5% भी कर ले तो हर मार्च के पीछे रोड होती है.
Exactly.
इतना काम है ही नहीं जितना वो औरतों को बता रहे हैं.
I mean, कोई इतना busy नहीं होता that they can't. I mean, you can't even text. That's the like simplest thing.
Agree.
There is one thing also that
10 seconds लगते हैं.
सही बात.
if they are texting you between रात के 12 से सुबह के 5 में,
रेड फ्लैग.
No.
ये
पूरा
रात की
दिन मेरा
texting
नहीं-
is never good.
yes,
Take it from me.
पूरा दिन मेरा
It's
you
never
know.
good.
12 से 5 is like the other side of that person. It's not you. And then it's something else.
This is
I should have come with like a book and a pen
Yeah.
and then note labels.
नहीं, ये तो सच है. 12 से 5 के बीच में अच्छी बातें नहीं होती.
And the thing is, another red flag which I consider is आजकल बहुत चल रहा है roasting. My love language is roasting.
Yes.
ठीक है, they will roast you in front of their friends, family or whatsoever, and then they be like, "Oh, I love you." I'm like,
Yes, it happens, and their ego is so big. I had this friend, so मतलब वो ऐसे बात करते थे आप करके. So one time मतलब that girl was with her boyfriend and his friend, and she accidentally said "tu," and that man was hurt. You won't believe it.
wow.
कि तू कैसे बोला मेरे को?
भाई,
I mean, can you imagine this?
coming back to now green flags.
Okay.
Bitching बहुत हो गई.
Yes.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है.
अच्छी बातें करते
Now I want
चलो
to
करो
learn
तारीफ
about
करो एक
अब मैं
दूसरे की.
चुप हो जाऊंगी.
हैं कि red flag की stories थी मेरे
अब
पास.
तेजस्वी भी notes निकाल ले.
Yeah.
It's all registered in my mind.
Great.
Okay. Green flag in a
Green
guy.
forest कब बन जाता है कोई लड़का?
जैसे आई हैव सीन माय फ्रेंड्स, मेरे काफी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो उसमें मैंने देखा है कई बार ना, देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन women are not ready to adjust with the other family. मतलब करना होता है, कर जाते हैं. Sometimes there are times, some people are like that. I'm not calling everyone. Disclaimer दे दिया, कोई offend मत होना.
मैं हो चुकी हूँ.
अभी इस पे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं जो कि इनको नहीं पता है, बट ठीक है.
हाँ, तो मैंने तभी बोला disclaimer दे दिया, हर कोई वैसा नहीं होता है.
Finish करो फिर.
तो
No, it's for everybody.
हाँ, फिर उसमें ये रहता है ना कि if a person knows, it's not just about females, it's also about males. If a person knows how to respect your family, or some families are complicated, most of the families are complicated. मेरे सिर्फ 2 शर्त. पहली बेवकूफ ना हो,
और मेरी फैमिली के साथ
हाँ, और मेरी मतलब एडजस्ट नहीं, उसको नहीं रहना फैमिली के साथ, ना रहे कोई बात नहीं, बट she has to respect my folks जितना मैं उसके folks को respect करूँ.
Oh yeah,
So it
that's
goes
basic.
two ways.
It
Yeah,
goes two ways.
yeah.
That's
Or
right.
nothing goes one way in a
That's
relationship.
right.
I think
Yeah,
in
yeah.
general respect is a green flag.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my
That.
point. Thank you.
I think the green flag for me is that the guy that I am with, उसको मेरी face समझना है. So it doesn't have to be like, you have different things. So you start talking, you have to do this, then you have to go on dates, then 2-3 dates के बाद ये करना है, वो करना है. No, we can take it in our own pace. And उसको समझना है कि like he's okay with it. Like you don't have to do certain things just because rest of the world is doing it.
Yeah, I do
Correct,
agree. Yeah.
correct.
Very true.
I think
And I think-
taking a stand for you is also a green
हाँ.
flag for me.
Yeah.
Because I have seen
Very
many
important.
relationships मतलब
Very
जिसमें either the बंदा और the बंदी मतलब नहीं लेते हैं एक दूसरे के लिए stand, and
हाँ,
that
मतलब-
becomes very annoying और मतलब बहुत disheartening होता है जब you see your partner not taking a stand for you.
I think another green flag would be communication. People like really good at it. Because in so many times in relationship ऐसा लगता है giving up is easier. Like if we are having a fight, the other person, I think मान जाना is better than to actually address the problem.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
And that happens a lot I think. That मान जाना is easier. Okay, okay, let's end
But
this.
won't that get a little toxic later?
It is.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing, no? Like conversation end करने के लिए, okay, let's just say sorry and pack up.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Arya and Prachi, Vaishali, and Tejasvi for joining me here. And of course, we can come up with second part also because I love all these things.
No, well, we have to see how much likes and shares we are getting.
Yeah, seriously,
या हमारे
guys.
बकवास किसी काम आएगा
Your opinion.
Yeah. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and you can follow Girl Power Talks for such content. Bye bye.
Bye.